Hello everyone, and today we are making some juice, and I have some ingredients here. This is a cup of ice and 2 cups of water and some honey and an orange, 2 orange and 1 lemon over here, and a spoon and a knife and this blender here to make the juice. So I am going to cut the lemon. Make sure to be careful. Do not touch this. Time to cut. I don't really know how to cut, but I'll just cut like that. I'm bad at cutting, so I'll just do like this and hope it will be done. And in the meantime, I will just watch the juice come out and hopefully don't get my fingers cut. This is a lemon. Just cut. Done. Finally, it's cut. And I will place these 2 here for now. I'll cut these stuff again. Now they are orange. So I've cut them. Now I'll wrap a plate over here and move these things out. And now I will cut inside it. And the lemon, they are very slippery, so be careful, or maybe ask an adult. But I am a master at cutting, so I'm a master cutting kid, and I know what to do, and I know what I'm doing, cause I'm good at doing this. And also, this is not the first time. And done. This is finished. I have a lot of stuff cut. Now I will just blend it on. Yes. Open this stuff and put the lemon inside. 1, 2, and I will put some water. Oh, I think it's enough. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, that is enough. I spilled some water. Alright, that's hot. And it's very loud, so close your ears. I think I'll open this up. Smells weird. And not very weird. Put some ice because it's not cold. I don't know how to put it. These are cold water. Getting nice there. Done. 2 ice. And I will blend it a second time. Close it and put my ears. What's happening? What is happening? I think it's done. Let's see. It's a bit cold. Now it's cooler. Let's see how to put this. So white. I think I'll put this on first so it don't spill on the top. I think that's a bit too. No, I think I need more. Let's just not do it just now. I think I'll put 2 more lemons. I'll make sure that they have no seeds in them. Now let's see. Put some water inside. And I'll put 4 more and some ice. That's a lot. I have no ice for the orange. But that is lemons, and that is another thing. So I think this is too much. Let's just add some orange inside of it, because that's just water. That's not water. That is some lemon juice. I think 3 pieces of orange juice will destroy the lemon, because there's only 2 and this is 3. So let's see now. There's no ice left. 1 ice but no water left, because there's already water inside of there. And what is this stuff? And let's see. I'll smell it. Okay, it does not smell like that anymore. Now I'll put it on the cold one. Whoa, 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 whoa. See, it's starting to get some color. Let's see it, how it tastes. It does not smell good. Very sour. The same, just a bit cooler. A bit sour, but with this, it's not very sour. Now I think I'll add some honey. How do I open this? Put this right here. And I think I'll just I think I'll just put this here for now. And hope it works. I'll use a spoon. How do people do this stuff? I think I have no choice but to use full force now. My fingernails are getting... This is impossible! My fingernails are getting bended. How do I do this? I think that's impossible. Let's see now, what do I have? This stuff? Can this open this can of honey? Let's see. Nope. No changes. Let's try it again. Nope, nothing. Let's see now. How do I open this? Let's see. Let's use a spoon. It's starting to get there. I think that did it. Yay! Now I'll put some honey. A little bit. A bit more honey on this. And some honey on this. And some honey on this. Put less honey on this because this has already been sweetened by the orange. And I think that will be done for now. Let's put the spoon right there and cover up this stuff. Not covering up. This thing is bad. I think I'll just leave it open just for now. And let's see. So bubbly. This is a little bit more less bubbly. This is the least bubbliest. There's honey. I think I'll just do like that for the honey just now. And let's see. I'll call someone here. Where is that? Come out! Okay, now I have to politely introduce yourself. This is my little brother that you've seen in the last episode. This is my sister that you've never seen before. And these are gonna be my tasters. And you'll be testing all my drinks. Which is the sourest? You go first. Okay. Pick one drink. Very sour, right?
Not too sour.
Then you pick a drink. Sour?
No sour.
Okay. That's pretty sour. So I think I'll end this video for now. And bye guys. Like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell So never gonna miss another video. And let's have 75 likes in 4 days. 75 likes in 4 days. Bye.